Ah, the joys of anchoring in a quiet, protected lagoon and falling asleep, rocked by the waves, confident of your anchor. Or not. Several people have contacted me recently, inquiring and at least once chiding me for not talking about anchoring. How can you cruise on a budget, they ask, if you don't anchor off? Good point. We have not yet talked about anchoring. It was something I was going to get to, but I wanted to get people cruising first. I'm going to break this first part of anchoring into 3 bite-sized pieces. Choosing an anchor, choosing ground tackle, and then simple anchoring. We'll save the rest for later. You may have noticed there are several different styles of anchors. Yachting Monthly has a great online story you might want to read. I'll post the link here. Now, we're going to look at the 2 most common types of anchors in my part of the world. The one commonly called a Danforth, or hinged fluke, and the other a plow, or CQR. Englishman Richard Danforth invented the Danforth pattern in the 1940s for use aboard landing craft. It uses a hinge at the bottom to which 2 large flat triangular flukes are attached. The hinge allows the flukes to dig in towards the bottom. The anchor is designed to bury deep into a seabed and once well set can develop very high resistance. It's lightweight and compact. It's a flat design that makes it easy to retrieve and relatively easy to store. Some anchor rollers and hawse pipes can accommodate a fluke-style anchor. A Danforth will not usually hold in gravel or weeds. When there's boulders and coral, it may hold by acting as a hook, and if there is a current, or if your boat is moving while you drop the anchor, it may skate or fly over the bottom. The plow, named because it resembles an old-fashioned agricultural plow, many manufacturers produce a plow-style design, and all are based on the CQR, secure, get it? A 1933 design, first patented in the United Kingdom by mathematician Geoffrey Ingram Taylor. Plows are popular with cruising sailors and other private boaters. They are generally good in all bottoms, but not exceptional in any. The CQR design that I use has a hinged shank, allowing the anchor to turn with direction changes rather than break out, while other plows happen to have a rigid shank. Now, plow anchors are usually stowed on a roller at the bow. So, here's a review. As a rule, Danforths are good mostly for sandy bottoms like my lake, and are lightweight and easy to store, but they don't hold well on rocky bottoms, or for that matter, if there's a lot of greenery on the bottom. Or also if the boat is moving while the anchor is set. Also, if the wind direction changes dramatically, Danforth is not your best anchor. The CQR is the best all-around anchor, as it will hold in a variety of bottoms and hold even when the wind direction changes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get notification of other videos. Give us a thumbs up and consider watching our other videos. I'm Alan Stokel. Thank you again for watching.